Hi, welcome back. Today we wanted to talk about the difference between being an employee as getting a W-2 at the end of the year or an independent contractor, which would mean you get a 1099. What's the difference? Do you have a choice? And what are some of the advantages of each? Most people who are working for a corporation or employer are going to be getting at the end of the year a Form W-2, which most of you would already know. And the W-2, as you realize, is a reflection of all the earnings throughout the year, less your withholding taxes. So the withholding taxes are kind of a hard realization when you get your pay, but at the end of the year, you're grateful because you've already paid in much of the tax that you're going to have to show on your income tax return. But what if you got a choice and you said, well, you can become an independent contractor if the employer or the person you're working for is not going to control your hours and control your work, and you have a choice and you have other clients? W-2 may not be the right fit, so you fill out a form, a W-9. At the end of the year, you're going to get a 1099. And the 1099 is basically, here's how much you earn throughout the year. Do what you want with it, but you have to report it. One of the big advantages of a 1099, if you are an independent contractor, is you get to deduct expenses. Things we'll talk about expenses in another segment, but expenses that would be reduce your income, mileage, cell phone, subscriptions, trips, you name it. Your tax preparer can figure out a lot of things that you're spending money on that could reduce that income. That is a big plus. On the negative side, you're going to have to pay your own self-employment tax on whatever's left versus the W-2. So in the next segment, we'll talk a little bit about what is that self-employment tax, and further we'll go into how to reduce your taxes as an independent contractor. Thanks for listening. See you on the next clip.